here is the level ruler. Is foldable in 5 sections, so we can put it like this, standing. Okay, it also has a neodymium magnet. See, in here, quite strong. Have a bubble in his left and right. And in the middle section also. Now we are going to fold it and scale the weight. Sorry. 570 grams. This spirit ruler I've been using for 1 or 2 times. It is very compact and portable, but in my opinion, this kind of bubble level ruler, we have to make sure, double check the result, because if you separate the ruler into a few sections, each part of the hinge must be very precise. Okay, but in the use convenient, yes, it's very convenient. This is how we are going to use the level, the ruler level. Or we can use like this. Like this also can. Now we are going to see the strength of the magnet. As you can see, the neodymium is working quite well. Working quite well. Okay. No magnet, only one side. It is very strong. When you meet a wider surface like this, it's very hard to pull it up. Okay. I think that's all my review for the bubble level ruler. Thank you for watching this video.